Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna discuss some basic stuff about the NSIS and a brief introduction so that you can get your quick start from the NSIS. For that you're gonna need the two software. The first is of course NSIS, which you can download from the Google here, and simply this link you can click here. And the another, you need a editor. This is a simple editor basically dedicated for NSIS, and you can download it from here. I have the both, so I'm not gonna download it them. I already have it, and you're also gonna get a shortcut in your desktop. So when you go on the program files inside the NSIS folder, you can see some examples, some header files, some plugins, and most of the things that you can explore. And you can play with some examples that already predefined by the company. And for the editor, we're gonna use this. You can also edit your script in Notepad or any editor you want, but I prefer this because over other, because it's have some inbuilt and it's actually dedicated for NSIS. So let's start with the wizard. So there is a option given in the setup where you can use the wizard to generate a script for your application. Like I'm gonna say it's UYT limited, and sorry, limited. You can give the version, the company name, and your company website as well. You can choose the different kind of languages that gonna support your setup. Here will come the path of your license file. So it's always better if you put this license file on the same folder where you're gonna save your script. So I'm gonna simply choose the same path like here. This is gonna be the license file, always gonna be the text file. You can choose the three different kind of radio options, button options to make agree the user the term and condition from the license. And from here you can simply remove it. If you have some exe, you can simply click here and choose the folder and directory, and yeah, just override it, and all the files will come here of your exe. Here will come all the parameters and readme file. You can change the name here, where it will, this is for the uninstaller. Like when someone gonna uninstall it, the your setup name should become here, so you can change here like YT or something. I'm not gonna change for anything other. And at the end, don't forget to check on the save script and convert file path. Just click save. This will pop up and you can save it. And this script gonna be here. As you can see, there are some predefined text and the code. These are the part of your script, and actually these are generated from the wizard that we just did. As if you want to go through here, you can simply see some variables and the file path, and these are some predefined pages which are already supported by NSIS, the languages, and yeah, some other set things. So as you can see, first of all, I'm gonna talk about how we can change the so before that, let's compile it and see what we have. So as we can see, we have a setup file generated. The name of this exe is setup right now, but if you want to change it, you can simply go here and change your application name. As you can see, it's setup. You can say it's not setup, it's YT, and just compile it again. And when you compile, you will see the YT is generated. So you can just delete it. Sorry, I got a new keyboard in which I'm not used to right now. So yeah, this is the setup file which is generated from our wizard. As you can see, it's welcome, our company name, and the version, and your license file, and here gonna be your installer and the folder path of your program files. As you can see, we have some different images here and here as well, and in the finish page as well. So if you see the finishing page here as well. So I'm gonna change these both images. This image is gonna be the BMP or bitmap, and these logo gonna be ICO. So let's change them. I already have them. You can use the online converter from different provider, and you can simply change your image format. And if I will compile it again, you will see a different logo. Here, as you can see, now we have a different logo of our application. And for the for changing welcome page and finishing page, you need a bitmap. This keyword like MUI welcome finish page bitmap. This will alter the existing bitmap with your given bitmap. These images name, these images paths you can put wherever you want, but it is always efficient to put your script and the images and all the files in the same path. I will compile it again and let's run it. As you can see, sorry, it's always giving me this. As you can see, now the images are changed, and here as well the images are changed. And yeah, so that's what we did right now. For the next step, I'm gonna tell you how you can use the different DLL or the third-party DLL to use them, or the in your script. So for that, you have to give the path to add that DLL plugin like this, and this will load the plugin DLL from your path, from the same path. Like if I want to use this simple SC, and I have to refer this DLL in our section or the function in which you want to use, and you can simply use the keywords for that. Like this simple SC actually used for this used for stopping and running and implementing the service in your Windows system. So for with the DLL name, and these are the predefined functions on the DLL, and these are the parameters. You can find it more about the simple SC and other DLL that you can use in your script in the Google, in the NSIS forum. And like today I'm not gonna talk about it, maybe in the future videos, but today I'm just giving you a basic overview about the how you can play around and create and get it started, get a quick start for your NSIS setup. So far I think that's it, and if you guys need more information about something, just comment below or just let me know, and yeah, I can help you through that. Thank you guys, and